Buying Terra Classic coin right now might be risky. Yes, a lot of people believe that Terra Classic is not that coin one should buy. Okay, people are like of giving a warning that Terra Classic after the first crash, but that is a risk. Luna has been marked by so many crypto experts to reach 1 penny, 1 cent. Now imagine Luna at 1 cent. That is it. That is going to be a lot of profit. So now the risk is buying Terra Classic. Okay, and that benefit is if Luna increases, because there are some coins that a lot of people believe when you buy these coins, give these coins time, months, years, that you will see some profit. Okay, definitely you will see profit, and these coins will be difficult for these coins to crash. Now there are still some coins one just want to play a game. You might not know the direction of the market. Okay, so but it is good. They say take the risk and join the millionaires. Every business are all risk, so you must be very careful in choosing an investment, the right investment, be it crypto investment, be it forex investment, be it real estate investment, be it e-commerce investment. Everything have risk. Every business have risk. Every business have profit and loss. So for me, Luna right now, the percentage of Luna, people looking at Luna, possibility of massively rising is low. But if Luna rises, a lot of people will make a lot of money because it's going to come with force. Luna is going to rise with the force. It's going to shock so many people. But right now, they need a lot of homework. Okay, that is why a lot of people have actually abandoned. Some decided to sell off. Luna have over between November last year till now, over almost $1 billion that was invested on Terra Classic has been pulled out, maybe invested in other crypto coins. So that is not a good statistics. But another good statistics is that this same coin in the past 1 year have hit over 400%, even though with a crash. So that's why I said Luna is a kind of, if you want investing on Terra Classic, need to consider that anything can happen. You must see this coin rising again, or the coin might be going down. So the only way to play safe in this type of investment is for you to invest something you know, even though it didn't go the direction you wanted it. You were like, no problem. Not something you'll be thinking, you'll be crying. No. Please. Same goes for other crypto coins you want to invest on. Be it Bitcoin, be it Shiba Inu, be it Ethereum, be it Binance BNB, or any coin. Even the paper coin is massively rising right now. Any coin. Before you invest wisely, please. Before you invest wisely. No matter how the coin is pumping, invest wisely. Once again, thank you for stopping by. Thank you.